Hey loyal fam, welcome back to another video. So you guys requested nature walk. I am taking you guys on a nature walk. So I put on my hat and that bird is somewhere on that tree right over there. That's a woodpecker. You come closer. So guys, I'm heading back the same direction I came, but it's a challenge. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I'm on the path again. That tree is called a trumpet tree. See the leaves? Yep, that's a trumpet. We call it the trumpet tree. The sun is hot in my face. And this is what the leaf looks like when they're dried. That's what the trumpet leaf looks like when it's dried. I hope I don't talk too much in this video and bore you guys, but nature walk is amazing. I get to connect with nature and kind of make things relaxing for me because I like this. It gets me out of the house, I'll be honest with you. It really does get me out of the house. And I like to be out of the house. I think that's a woodpecker making noise. I think it's a woodpecker. Look at that beautiful butterfly. Amazing. So amazing. That's my favorite color. Orange and white butterfly. Oh, there's a ripe mango. You guys see it? I don't know if you see it. I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna go get a stick. Guys, I have to show you the birds first before I pick the arm. That's a woodpecker. I was correct. It's a woodpecker. I just realized you guys weren't seeing the woodpecker. Oh, oh my God, you were seeing behind me. Oh my goodness. A woodpecker and another bird. Okay, I'm gonna go get the stick. So yes guys, I'm gonna go get the stick. And I'm gonna go pick the mango. The mango is right here. You all see that? Nice. It is the only one that is on it ripe. And this is a stringy. It is called a stringy. I think I saw another one. Let's see. I think the bird got that one. There's a hole in it and I'm not gonna pick it. I'm gonna try this one. If I can reach it, I don't know. Doesn't look like it. Nope. Can't reach that one. Oh, almost fell. Guys, I'm trying to pick the other mango. It's about right here. All right, let's see. Oh, I got it. It's far right here. Here it is. Woo! She scores. In the blender. Whoa. Guys. I'm gonna let you see that bird that is making that noise. But I have to bring back the stick where I get it. Okay. Look out there in the distance. The woodpeckers are out there in the trees. I don't know if you can see it jumping from limb to limb. My phone is not that good on distance range for zooming in, but I zoom in so you guys can see. So I don't know if you're seeing that bird, but it's a woodpecker. That distinctive sound. What kind of animal makes that sound? So guys, it has come to the end of the nature walk. I am hot and sweaty. Yes, I'm almost home. I can hear my dog barking. So it has come to the end of the nature walk, and I am going to head home, take a cold shower, because I'm all sweaty. Look at here, girl. Yes, that is why I love nature walks, because guys, it keeps my blood pumping. It makes me want to just not be in the house, to get out so I can enjoy this. And I score. I got 2 mangoes, but guess what else I get to show you guys as the video coming to an end. Look what I'm showing you. I'm putting my mangoes right here. We are going to look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Epic. Hold on, hold on. I have to pick it. I have to pick it before I show you. I show you guys. Lemon. Guys, the lemon tree. Remember I told you the lemon tree wasn't ready? It is ready. It is ready, guys. I'm pulling on the limb. Ouch. One of the marker gets me. I'm pulling on the limb. Guys. Lemon. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I have to take my time. Let it go. Wow. Guys. Yes. Oh my God. I score. Guys, 2 mangoes, 2 lemon. Lemonade it is. Today is lemonade day. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Just tell your friend to tell another friend. Tell a family to tell another family. So guys, you can be a part of the loyal family. Yes. So, score. And let me go get my mangoes. I put it in the tree. Oops, it fell. And score. I have to end this video this way so you can see the mountains. I am in awe of the mountains. Yes, I'm in love with the beautiful scenery. Creation is amazing.